Hi everyone, this is Ed Webmat, and today we'll speak about keywords. Have you ever asked yourself, how does Google know what my website is about? The answer starts with keywords. Today we'll explain what SEO keywords are, why they're so important, and how to use them to get more visitors and customers online. SEO keywords are the exact words or phrases that people type into search engines like Google when they're looking for something. If your website includes the right keywords, it has a better chance of showing up in search results. Not all keywords are the same. Let's look at the different types. First, short tail keywords. These are broad and general, like shoes or marketing. They get lots of searches but are very competitive. Second, long tail keywords. These are more specific and often longer, like affordable running shoes for flat feet. They have lower search volume but high conversion rate. Local keywords. Used to find services near a location like dentist in Chicago or SEO expert in Berlin. Fourth, informational and commercial keywords. Informational keywords are questions like how to bake a cake, and commercial keywords are used by people ready to buy, like buy cameras online. Using the right keywords helps search engines match your content with what people are searching for. If you use strong, relevant keywords, your site appears high in search results. You attract visitors who are actually interested in what you offer. You increase your chances of turning visitors into customers. Where should the keywords be used? In your page titles, in your meta descriptions, in headers like H1 or H2, in your content, in image, alt text, and URLs. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. Everything starts with choosing of the right ones. Pages optimized with strong keyword strategy can bring in up to 10 more traffic than optimized pages. That's why keywords research is not just about picking popular terms, it's about understanding your audience, your market, and your goals. Thank you for watching. Follow our LinkedIn, follow our YouTube channel and our website.